What an idiot. I was like, why isn't my camera working? It's because I have the camera lens on. That's what state we're in. Hi everyone and welcome to this week's video. If you want to see what I've been up to, then keep on watching. Hi everyone. Hope everyone is well. It's been a bit of a wild ride because I've had COVID yet again. I tested positive. It is doing the rounds and it's horrible. Like it was only like it was like having a cold, but the nausea was not very nice. So yeah, COVID is doing the rounds again. Deep joy. Anyway, I hope everyone's okay. I've got a couple of things to show you today. I have got my sort of half finished beanie hat. I haven't done a lot of it. I've been making for one of my patients at work, and also a company called Cadafio, I think I'm saying it right, reached out to me and asked if I wanted to try one of their crochet kits, which I have got to show you. But first things first, what I've been crocheting is this beanie. That's the wrong side. That's literally the wrong side. This beanie, so it's for, if you saw in one of my previous videos, I made a scarf for one of my patients and I had some yarn left over and I was like, what do you want? A beanie? So he's getting a beanie. I just need to do 2 more rows. I need to do 1 purple and 1 green and then I can join it. I know it looks really big, but I'm just going to join it like so. Sew the top up and then it's going to have a nice big cuff on it. Would you call it a cuff? I don't know what you'd call it. And I'm going to put a pom-pom on it. They're so easy to do. I can't even remember how many I chained. But it's just double crochet, which is single crochet if you are in the US. Back loops only. Back and forth. I changed colours I did 4 rows of each colour. And then change colour. So this is going to go really nicely with his scarf. Now on to the main attraction. Yeah, this company called Cadafio reached out to me and said, did I want to try one of their crochet kits? I will leave the link to their website below. They have got the most beautiful crochet kits and it comes with everything you need. Sorry, I'm going to cough. It comes with everything you need to make your whatever you've chosen. So they've got, it's amigurumi, they've got loads of like little animals, like little plushes, they've got succulents, they've got flowers, and it's all really reasonably priced as well. So they asked me to pick one of their kits. I have opened it already because, you know, a bit loud. So this is what we have. It's everything you need to make it in this one little pouch. So I have chosen the cutest ever Gingerbread Man. He's very, very sweet. Disclaimer, I am rubbish at amigurumi and it'll probably make me cry making this, but I'm going to give it a go. It comes with this instruction booklet that tells you like how to make everything, and it's got the cutest little candy cane on the back. So yeah, they've got other Christmas stuff. I know it's probably a bit late for Christmas, but they have got other Christmas stuff. But like I said, they've got other really, really cute kits as well. You also get, if you've never crocheted before, which I thought was really good, a little DIY handicrafts crochet kit for beginners. So in this, I have had a quick flip through it. It tells you, it's got all this information in here about abbreviations, hook sizes, UK US conversions, and then holding the yarn. It basically goes through everything of like if you've never crocheted before. So that's really handy because often these kits are just like they don't have anything like that in them, so I thought that's really good. So let's get into the kit itself. So first off, we have the stuffing, which has been vacuum packed, which is a really good idea actually. Vacuum packing the stuff in. So 10 out of 10 for that alone. Then we have the yarn kit. So it's got everything, 1, 2, 3, 6 colours of yarn to make our little gingerbread man. It's got some wire and a glue stick. I haven't actually probably read through the instructions, so I couldn't tell you what all this is for, as in the wire and the glue stick. I don't know if it's for his bow or his candy cane, and I'm guessing the glue stick might be to like doubly secure the safety eyes. You get your hook, so it's a 2.5mm hook. Love it that you get the hook in it. It's literally everything. And in this little bag we've got 2 needles, 2 pom-poms and stitch markers, which is bloody brilliant because I always need stitch markers. Some pins. It's got these, but I'm not sure what they are. I don't know if they're for threading. I think they're needle threaders, because sometimes you get them, you know, when you stay in a hotel and you get those little sewing kits. I don't know if you can see it. It's got like a little tiny bit of wire on it, so I think they're like to thread your needle. So there's 4 of those. And yeah, I knew there was one more thing. And then there's some safety eyes and the cutest little piece of holly, which is, oh, excuse me, absolutely adorable. I've just eaten, Megan made some croissants, but with the Kinder like bars in them. Oh, they're amazing, but they aren't making me burp. So yeah, that is the crochet kit from Cadaffio. I will leave the links for all their website and everything down below. I am off this afternoon on a nice little weekend away. I am off to Guernsey for the weekend because I have a party to go to. It's not even my party, it's the other half's work's party, and luckily, I'm so lucky because we get flown to Guernsey and we get to stay in a hotel, which is really, really nice. I have a massive fear of flying, and if you've ever been to Guernsey, if you're not from the UK, Guernsey is part of the Channel Islands, so it's a tiny island off of France. It's about a 40-minute flight, but the flight, the aircraft they use is like the ATR aircraft, so the turboprop aircraft, and I don't really do flying very well, so I've had to nip to the pharmacy this morning to get myself some promethazine to pop before I before I fly. Yeah, because I don't do flying, let alone these little tiny aircraft, very well. And I'm also going to meet up with my friend. She's one of the other engineers' wives, Natasha, which is going to be really nice. She lives on Guernsey, so we're gonna meet up, have a little little yearly catch up, probably do a bit of shopping. Yeah, and I'm back on Sunday, and then I got Lily Monday, and then back in work on Tuesday. So that is my update. Hope everyone's okay. Please be safe out there, because like I said, COVID is rife at the moment. Big hugs to anyone that needs them and who's struggling. I will leave all the links below for that Cadaffio website, and take care and happy crocheting.